Hi, today we are discussing Gauss hypergeometric equation. Hypergeometric equation. The equation is of the form x into 1 minus xy double dash plus c minus a plus b plus 1 into x y dash minus aby equal to 0 is called Gauss hypergeometric equation. Here a, b, c are constants. Similarly, p of x equal to c minus a plus b plus 1 into x by x into 1 minus x, and q of x equal to minus ab by x into 1 minus x. Then x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 are the only singular points because the denominator is x into 1 minus x. Therefore, x into p of x equal to c minus a plus b plus 1 into x by 1 minus x, that equal to c minus a plus b plus 1 into x into 1 plus x square plus etc. That means the denominator is 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, then that means 1 minus x raised to minus 1. To expand this, we get 1 plus x square plus etc. This is the form 1 plus x square plus etc. To rearrange this, we get, firstly we write the constant c, then the coefficient of x c minus a plus b plus 1 into x plus etc. A similar manner, x square into q of x, that equal to minus abx by 1 minus x, that equal to minus abx 1 plus x square plus etc. Okay, then here now constant term, the coefficient of x, that equal to minus ab x square, that equal to minus ab x square plus etc. So x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. X equal to 0 because x into p of x, the denominator is 1 minus x. X square into q of x, denominator is 1 minus x. It is clear that x equal to 0 is a regular singular point. Here x equal to 1, then the denominator is 0. That is not valid. Here, so this is of the form p naught x into p of x is the form p naught plus p1x plus etc. P naught plus p1x plus etc. Therefore, the constant is p naught, that equal to c. P naught, that equal to c. So, in the same manner, x square into q of x, that equal to minus abx square plus etc. Here there is no constant, that means q naught equal to 0. Okay, then the initial equation becomes m into m minus 1 plus p naught m plus q naught equal to 0. Here p naught equal to c, then m into m minus 1 plus mc equal to 0. That means m into m minus 1 minus c equal to 0. It is clear that m equal to 0 or m equal to 1 minus c. These are the two values, m equal to 0, m equal to 1 minus c. 1 minus c is not a positive integer, that is if c is not 0 or negative integer. The first solution is y equal to x naught into, that means y equal to x raised to m1. Here m1 equal to 0, then y equal to x raised to 0 into summation a n x raised to n, that equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square plus etc. Therefore, we find using this y dash and y double dash, that means y dash equal to summation, here first term is y equal to a n x raised to n, then y dash equal to n a n x raised to n minus 1 summation. Similarly, y double dash equal to n into n minus 1 n into n minus 1 a n x raised to n minus 2 summation. Okay, then we apply these values in the Gauss hypergeometric equation x into 1 minus xy double dash plus c minus a plus b plus 1 into xy dash minus a by equal to 0. Therefore, we get the result a n plus 1 equal to a plus n into b plus n by a plus n into b plus n by n plus 1 into n plus c a n plus 1 into n plus c a n, that is the value of a n plus 1 equal to a plus n into b plus n by n plus 1 into c plus n a n. Next, if first we put the last result a n plus 1 equal to a plus n into b plus n by n plus 1 into c plus n. Put n equal to 0, then we get a n, that equal to a b by 1 into c. a2 equal to a into a plus 1 b into b plus 1 by 1 into 2c into c plus 1. Similarly, a3 equal to a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 b into b plus 1 into b plus 2 1 into 2 into 3 c into c plus 1 into c plus 2. Then the equation becomes y equal to summation a n x raised to n, that becomes y equal to 1 plus a b by 1 into cx plus a into a plus 1 b into b plus 1 by 1 into 2c into c plus 1 x square plus etc. That becomes 1 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 etc. a plus n minus 1 b into b plus 1 into b plus 2 etc. b plus n minus 1 by n factorial c into c plus 1 into c plus 2 etc. c plus n minus 1 into x raised to n. This result is denoted by f of a b c x. abc f of a b c x is called Gauss hypergeometric equation. That means the final result f of a b c x equal to f of a b c x, that equal to 1 plus ab by c x, 1 plus ab by c x. plus the second term is a into a plus 1 b into b plus 1, a into a plus 1 b into b plus 1 by c into c plus 1 2 factorial x square plus etc. is called Gauss hypergeometric equation. Here this is one of the example f of 1 b bx. Actually Gauss hypergeometric equation is of the form f of a b c x. Here a equal to 1 and c equal to b. F of a b c x, a stands for 1 and c equal to b. Then the equation is f of b b b x. F of f of 1 b b x, that equal to, from the expansion the first term is 1, then here also 1 plus second term ab by c, ab by c, a equal to 1, then b by c is also 1, then b by b x, that equal to x, plus next term is a into a plus 1, that means 1 into 2, b into b plus 1 by c into c plus 1, b into b plus 1 by c into c plus 1 also same, then that equal to 1, then 2 by 2 factorial, that equal to 1, the third term is x square plus etc. and this is of the expansion 1 by 1 minus x, 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, we find the next solution. The second term is m2 equal to 1 minus c. First term m1 equal to 0, second term m2 equal to 1 minus c, then y equal to x raised to 1 minus c a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus etc. Okay, then we put this term a naught plus a1x plus a2x square, that equal to z, then y equal to x raised to 1 minus c z. After finding or after eliminating all terms, then we get the result x into 1 minus x into z double dash plus 2 minus c minus a minus c plus 1 plus b minus c plus 1 plus 1 into z dash minus a minus c plus 1 into b minus c plus 1 into z equal to 0. This is of the form Gauss hypergeometric equation. Gauss hypergeometric equation is x into 1 minus x y double dash plus c minus, here c is a constant, that equal to 2 minus c, c minus a plus b plus 1, a stands for a minus c plus 1, a plus b plus 1, b stands for b minus c plus 1 plus 1 into x, y dash minus a b y, a means a minus c plus 1, b means b minus c plus 1 into z equal to 0. The above term is of the form Gauss hypergeometric equation. Then we can write this is of the form f of a b c x, a stands for a minus c plus 1, then z equal to a minus c plus 1, z equal to f of a minus c plus 1, b minus c plus 1, 2 minus c x. Here a stands for a minus c plus 1, b minus c plus 1, that is b, 2 minus c, that is c, f of a b c x. Then the second solution is y equal to x raised to 1 minus c, f of a minus c plus 1, b minus c plus 1, 2 minus c x. Therefore the general solution is y equal to y1 plus y2, that equal to y equal to c1 f of a b c x, that is equal to y1 plus c2 into x raised to 1 minus c, f of a minus c plus 1, b minus c plus 1, 2 minus c x. And in general the equation Gauss hypergeometric equation at the point x equal to 1, we put we are introducing a new independent variable t equal to 1 minus x. This makes x equal to 1 correspond to t equal to 0 and transform 1. then the equation becomes t minus t into y double dash plus a plus b minus c plus 1 minus a plus b plus 1 into t y dash minus a b y equal to 0. This is also a Gauss hypergeometry equation, and its general solution become y equal to c1 f of a b a plus b minus c plus 1 1 minus c plus c2 1 minus x into c minus a minus b f of c minus b c minus a c minus a minus b plus 1 minus x. This is the general solution of the equation. Finally, the equation is of the form x minus a into x minus b y double dash plus c plus dx into y dash plus ey equal to 0. Then x minus a into x minus b y double dash plus c plus dx into y dash plus ey equal to 0. Then we put t equal to x minus a by b minus a. Then x equal to 0 correspond to t equal to 0 and x equal to b to t equal to 1. Then the equation of the form t into 1 minus t y double dash plus f plus gt y dash plus hy equal to 0. This is of the form Gauss hypergeometric, where f equal to c, g equal to minus a plus b plus 1, h equal to minus ab. Here we are discussed about Gauss hypergeometric equation. Gauss hypergeometric equation means f of a b c x at x equal to m equal to 0, and the second solution m2 equal to 1 minus c, then x raised to 1 minus c into is of the form f of a b c x. Here a equal to a plus b plus 1, b equal to b plus c plus 1, and c equal to 2 minus c. These are the solutions of the Gauss hypergeometric equation. Okay, thank you.